Hi, this is Shelley Kraft. Welcome to SNNLive. We're at the Cambridge House International Vancouver Resource Investment Conference 2013. I have with me Andrew Thomson from Soltoro Ltd, SOL, on the TSX venture. Andrew, welcome back to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley. Thanks for having me.
Anything new? Because I want to get an update. Did anything happen recently that I would like to tell our investors?
Yeah, we're fairly excited. We haven't drilled our main silver deposit to depth in the sense that we've been chasing open pit targets on the property. We did a complete study with a consultant from Peru, actually, where we've gone in and we had a theory about our deposit being downdropped, and we put a drill hole into the deposit and we hit a good 90-meter intercept. More importantly, we got into massive sulfide in the base of it. It opens up potential for our deposit at depth where we're getting into massive sulfide. It's within a breccia. It's early stages, but this is the sort of thing that might go to depth, to some depth. Some of these systems in Mexico are quite deep, and so we're at the point now where we're drilling on each side of it, to the north and the south, and we're drilling at depth, and because it's beneath our deposit and represents big disseminated mineralization, it's exciting. The 90-meter intercept graded from top to bottom 127 equivalent grams per ton silver. There's 90 grams per ton silver within that. The last 11 meters was massive sulfide. It's 11.2 meters of 535 or half kilo equivalent. There's 280 grams silver, 0.13 grams per ton gold, and 11% lead. But it's really exciting to us because it represents a new ore. It's not ore, but it represents a new metal occurrence mineralization at the base of the hole, which is not exactly what we're expecting, but it's a very good result, and it could go very deep. So we're now at the stage where we're going to drill deeper to test it at depth, and as opposed to getting nothing in a hole, we got a really nice intercept. The market hasn't been very favorable in terms of its reaction yet. We're up 11%. I think we should be up more, but it's a real start to getting into a new system, so we're quite excited.
Okay, now what you said is an educated lesson in Soltoro.
Yes.
I have some folks out there that might not know everything that you just said, even though they speak English.
We hit a new type of mineralization under the deposit. We're going to keep drilling to see how big it is. But it's exciting because it could be a feeder source for our existing deposit, and these things can go down, kilometers, or most of them are probably 500 meters, and we're going to start drilling now to figure it out. So,
but you're a silver company.
Yes.
So this is what you do for a living.
Yes, it is.
You find silver.
Yes, we do.
Now you found a lot of silver.
Well, again, we don't. It's not generating tonnage yet, because there's one hole in it, and we haven't got a third dimension. But if the ore model holds up that we tested for, we could, again, we need to drill it. We could be into something fairly substantial.
And gold, that's the first time I've heard you speak that word. Usually you're a silver guy, I mean, that's an anomaly.
We've actually defined 20,000 indicated ounces and 19,000 inferred ounces on the property. That's another zone. We are actually taking a gold focus. We're going to drill an oxide gold zone that we have. We've got 1,000 meters planned, but on the silver portion of the deposit, we're into the base metal system below it, which is running high silver, and you tend to get gold credits there. And it's only 0.13 grams per ton, but we're into that system, so it's exciting.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
So, when is the next drill program? Because it doesn't seem like you're going to be stopping.
The drills, we've already drilled the hole to the north. We're drilling the hole to the south. We'll have, in the next month, we're going to have 3 holes drilled that'll start establishing a third dimension. But because it sits on an existing deposit and it's within a certain meterage, it could add ounces very quickly. So as long as you can maintain this grade, it can get exciting quickly.
Website?
www.soltoro.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Soltoro Limited, SOL on the TSX venture. This is Andrew Thomson from Soltoro. I'm Shelley Kraft from SNNLive. We're at the Cambridge House International Vancouver Resource Investment Conference in 2013. I want to thank you one more time for coming on to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley. That's been great.